In this tutorial, we will cover common problems encountered when making a MEPA 3 calibration with HearID. Calibrations are affected by external noise and vibration. In this example, the noise level when calibrating channel 1 is much higher than channel 2. Try to identify the cause of the noise, reduce or eliminate it, then rerun the test. Some techniques to reduce noise include running the laptop on battery power rather than mains power, ensuring the probe cable is not touching the laptop, disconnecting the laptop from peripheral devices such as printers, and putting the cavity set on a foam or rubber mat. The calibration cavity set has 5 positions. Position 0 is the closed position. Always set the cavity to position 0 when not in use and when inserting or adjusting the ear tip. Positions 1 to 4 open the cavity set. Each position provides a calibration tube of a different length. If the ear tip is inserted or adjusted when the cavity set is open, that is, in position 1 through 4, the ear tip may be pushed into a cavity. This causes 2 problems. First, the length of the cavity is changed because the ear tip now takes up some of the length. This causes an invalid calibration. Second, when the dial is turned to the next position, the end of the ear tip is sheared off, leaving fragments in the cavities. These fragments change the acoustic properties of the cavity and cause invalid calibrations. Check the debris regularly by turning to each position and inspecting the cavity with an otoscope. Fragments may be removed with tweezers or by gently shaking the cavity set. To avoid these problems, only insert or adjust the ear tip after setting the dial to position 0. Because position 0 is the closed position, the ear tip can and should be fully inserted into the ear tip holder. The probe head should be perpendicular to the cavity set. The weight of the cable and the probe head can sometimes cause the probe tip to be pulled downwards. This bends the tubes and can cause invalid calibrations. Adjust the position of the cable so that it supports the probe head. One method is to hook the cable underneath the cavity set and adjust it until the probe is perpendicular. Also check that the ear tip is fully inserted into the probe head and that the ear tip is fully inserted into the ear tip holder on the calibration cavity set.